Arizona finds coronavirus among border wall workers. Two workers on the border wall learned that they have the virus, prompting fears of further spread. Some residents had urged a halt to construction during the pandemic. Health officials in southern Arizona have detected at least two coronavirus cases among workers on the border wall, igniting fears that the influx of hundreds of construction workers could spread the virus in small border towns. The two cases were confirmed this week at the Desert's Sinita Health Clinic in Adjo, a town near the Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument, where a portion of the wall is under construction, said Chucky Huckleberry, the administrator of Pima County, which also includes the city of Tucson. Since the start of the year, hundreds of construction workers, engineers, and truck drivers from all over the country have moved to Adjo, sharing housing in rented homes and trailer parks and mingling in restaurants, which have reopened in recent weeks. The town is a haven for older adults, including many artists, and has a population of about 3,000. A lot of them are retired and probably a lot of them are vulnerable, Mr. Huckleberry said. He added that Pima County had begun a contact tracing efforts to determine how many people in the area could have been exposed to the virus from the infected workers. About 400 workers have come into the area in recent months, he said. Francisco Garcia, director of the Pima County Health Department and its chief medical officer, said the two workers were the first cases of the coronavirus to be confirmed in Adjo, though it was not clear how the workers came or became ill. Officials were examining another potential case that appeared to involve someone passing through the town, Mr. Garcia said. Overall, Pima County had 3,628 confirmed cases of the virus as of Friday and 222 deaths. The confirmation of the virus among workers has confirmed fears that many Adjo residents had voiced in March, when some of them called on Trump administration to halt border wall construction during the pandemic. The federal government declined to suspend construction and even accelerated work along some stretches of the border. In March, the Department of Homeland Security announces plans to build or replace more than 91 miles of barriers along the border between Arizona and Mexico, and waived some of federal laws to speed up construction of those portions of the wall. It infuriates me that our health is worth less to the federal government than Trump's wall, said Maria Singleton, 57, an Adjo resident who has documented on social media how work on the project has disrupted life in the town. Ms. Singleton said she had grown especially concerned about the border wall workers moving around Adjo without masks, including in the town's only supermarket. The detection of coronavirus among the workers on the border wall comes at a time when President Trump has attempted to cast blame on Mexico for the spread of the virus in the borderlands. In the news conference this month, in which he championed construction of the border wall, Mr. Trump claimed that Tijuana is the most heavily infected place anywhere in the world, an assertion unsupported by factual evidence. San Diego, a smaller city in the other side of the border, has many more confirmed cases. Several residents of Adjo, including Ms. Singleton, said they had observed a sharp decline in truck traffic on Thursday and Friday, raising questions about whether work on the project had been scaled back. Rainey Bronson, a spokeswoman of the Army Corps of Engineers, which is overseeing the border wall construction, said that the construction progress had not been halted along the border as a result of any concerns over the coronavirus. Ms. Bronson said she could not confirm or deny the Pima County report of coronavirus cases among workers, but she said plans on the border now include quarantining employees who are sick or experience any symptoms related to COVID-19. Hewitt, the Nebraska construction giant that has the lucrative contract to build the wall near Adjo, did not respond to requests on Friday for comments. Across Arizona, which has had more than 1,100 virus-related deaths, there is growing concern over the sharp increase of coronavirus in recent days. The state health department reported a record of new cases on Friday, with 1,654 infections and 17 deaths.